Coming up in this episode, we get a sudden local storm.
Holy shit, I'm glad we got back for this.
We explain some of the history of the port of Volos and the connection with the famous ship the Argo and Jason and the Argonauts. Come and join us and see the sights. A world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Travel has helped us to understand the meaning of life, and it has helped us to become better people. Each time we travel, we see the world with new eyes. People think that because we keep travelling and searching for new things to do, we are not focused. But travel helped us find our purpose and put focus into our lives. The more we get lost in our travels, the richer our lives become. Volos, formerly known as Iolcus, was where the mythological hero Jason and his Argonauts formed the expedition on their ship, the Argo, where they ventured from in their search for the Golden Fleece. Wherever you go in Volos, you are reminded of the Argo. Today, Volos has the third largest cargo port in Greece after Piraeus and Thessaloniki, carrying agricultural and industrial products. During the summers, more than 100 cruisers arrive in Volos, carrying more than 100,000 visitors.
I'm glad we got back for this. We've just been into town and it was flat calm, no kidding, and out of nowhere we must have got how many knots? Well, I don't know about the knots, but it's the sea state has just come up stupidly, a storm coming in, and we've just had to put the engine on, put a spring on this one side, pull the front over.
The engine's holding us off the dock.
Yeah, the engine's holding us off, but wow, we just hope that the anchor obviously is going to hold here because it does say it's soft mud. Hopefully it'll blow over pretty sharpish. This is, wow. There's a boat over here. The man's even standing on the side trying to hold it off the side. How ridiculous can you get?
I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but just over here we've got another boat and he's not put his anchor down, he's just tied onto a buoy and the buoy's just dragging and he's trying to push his boat off the wall. I don't know why he just don't put his engine on. He's never going to hold that off. So what we've done, we've got a big buoy here and another one here, but as you can see it's quite high off the floor, this one. So I've put them roughly where I think it is. I've got the engine in gear, giving us forward propulsion. I've put a spring on that side which goes right to the bow, which is keeping us into wind, assisting that anchor hopefully. And Jen's putting fenders out all down this side just in case and we blow across onto another boat. We've not needed fenders on here because there's not been any other boats, but hopefully that squall is passing through. And this is the protected harbour, you can see, and it's not showing it on film as much as it is. And then if I zoom behind us onto the actual open sea, it's almost flat calm. And if I could guarantee getting out safely really quick, we'd go out now and just go and sit up round there for half an hour. But
clear behind this big black cloud.
aye?
There's rain behind this big black cloud, but it's clear behind it.
Yeah, it should be okay in half an hour.
Later, and we can finally have that beer and that cherry flavoured cider that we've just been to the shop for. Because just look at the water, flat as a pancake.
It's raining.
It's raining, but the storm is over.
For now. So hopefully that's just full of rain now and not wind. Another hour or two and it'll have gone through. And then the sun will be back out, I hope. As long as we don't get any more rain like wind like we've just had. And just as predicted, the storm passed and the sun came out again. Time to do some more exploring. The city of Volos has always had a major role in the financial, economical, commercial and administrative matters of the region of Thessaly and central Greece, due to the strategic position of the city's port, which is unique between Athens and Thessaloniki. Volos consists of a city with various Greek trades. As the industrial development and the port conducted, many people moved into the city. The industrial and financial evolution of the city conducted in a cultural and social evolution too. In 1894, Volos acquired its municipal theatre, and in 1896 the Volos Gymnastic Club. In 1908, Volos was founded the first labour union in Greece. After 1922, with the Asia Minor catastrophe, Volos received a large number of people coming from the destroyed regions. This coexistence with the locals influenced deeply the culture of the city, making this influence visible in the food, music, sports, entertainment and social life of the city. That weren't very good pouring. While trying to film and all.
That's it. Never get a job.
Do you know what? I've got a beer. The sun's coming out over there.
It's not cherry flavoured. I thought it was like fruity flavoured, but it's not.
It just says apple cider on it when I read it.
It's up to make you a bloody alcoholic, this sailing life.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And please check out our Patreon page where you can get access to over 40 patron only videos. See you next time.